What's up, guys? Time Suppression here. I'm gonna take the CB500 out for a ride. It's gonna be nice. Why don't you join me? So, enjoying my favorite snack of beef jerky, and today we're gonna take a ride down Skyline Drive, Shenandoah National Park, and it's beautiful. It's gonna be great out there. One of my favorite rides to do. I just recently got one of the America the Beautiful annual passes, so I can actually get into all of the national parks with that pass. Totally worth it. So I'm gonna go out there, enjoy it, and it's gonna be really fun. Look at how freaking stunning that view is. It's so pretty out here. This is an absolute fantastic ride. One of the things I really want to do is I want to take Skyline all the way down and then go all the way down Blue Ridge Parkway, all the way down into North Carolina. That would be such a fun trip to do, and I think we're going to do that this year because why the hell not? Just get out and do it. It is so beautiful out here. Oh my God, just look at this. It is so beautiful out here. I'm just, so I've never actually been down this section of Skyline. I've only been over like the first portion, but goddamn, beautiful. Absolutely loving it so far. So let's push on, see some more cool stuff. And I don't know, I'm gonna have to decide when I want to turn around at some point, but for now I'm just gonna keep going. Gets dark around like 8 p.m. and it's like 3 something right now, so it doesn't really matter to me. It is so freaking beautiful out here. Oh my God, just absolutely stunning. So the Insta360 ran out of card space. I filled 128 gig card full of stuff. But holy crap, look at this. That view is absolutely stunning. Oh my God, that's so pretty. All right, so instead of going Skyline, we're gonna take a super duper fun road. I took this with some friends a while ago, and I lost my thing for the GoPro already. I did this with some friends a while ago. And then did it on my own again. It's super fun, really fun twisties. So yeah, you guys can watch that. Motorcycle rides are so great. Dude stopped to check on me to make sure I was okay while I was talking to you. Love it. Anyway, enjoy the twisties here. Yeah, that road is always super freaking fun. Definitely recommend it if you're in the Virginia area near Shenandoah National Park. It's right by the Thornton Gap entrance to Shenandoah National Park, Skyline Drive there. It's super duper fun, both directions. Going up is a little more fun than going down, but whatever. It's fun either way. But yeah, I'm just gonna head back home now. So thank you guys so much for watching. Really appreciate it, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Peace out.